See you.
Help your fellow Woolworth Academy.
Good day, everyone. I'm Mr. Matthews, your geography teacher. I know you're all enthusiastic and ready to learn. Otherwise, why would you be here? A fair guess, but I'm afraid it's wrong. No, I'm sorry, that is incorrect. You've charted a fine course for yourself, son. Bravo!
Did you see that? I'm good. That's all there is to it.
Maybe I should go beat up some other boys or something.
Hey, Pete. Where is everybody?
Oh, Jimmy, it's you.
Yeah?
Guess you want to kill Gary now that he's turned most of school against you and got those rich kids to throw eggs at you.
Gary'll get what's coming to him. What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Well, you're sitting around watching TV by yourself like a loser. Someone crap in your bed? What's wrong?
Well, for one moment, I had friends. Just one moment. You and Gary. Yeah, Gary's a snake, and you're a psychopath.
Ah, come
you
on.
You both bullied me mercilessly, but at least I wasn't left out. And now I'm back on my own, and I'm too cool to be a dork, and I'm too dorky to be anything else.
You're not on your own. Where is everybody?
At the bike race at Old Bulworth Vale, by shiny bikes at the beach.
Bike race? Why didn't you say so? Come on.
We'll show you how gentlemen
Come on,
behave
let's
themselves.
get them.
They've got nothing on us.
Sweet win! Come by and see me anytime. I'll have your trophy.
Another good deed done.
Listen, pal, help him.
Consequences. Get into class. Okay, people.
Why are you
class
not
is
class?
about to start. Your butt is mine.
Just like last time.
Another snot-nosed perp.
I hope everyone's ready to learn something. This isn't English class, you know. You can do better than that. You're not even trying, are you? Wrong. Pay attention. Pathetic. You can do better than that. That's enough for today. Good work.
Booyah! Done and done right. Salutations.
One time I spent a
Yeah, you want to get a C785. Then dismantle it and recouple with a 767 in titanium. Very expensive, but it will make your machine fly. That's what the pros do.
Really? I was gonna get the 976 because I thought it would make me look important amongst my peer group.
A 976? What are you, a girl? Oh, here's the kid who won the race.
Hey.
You came for your trophy, huh?
Yep.
Here she is. Beautiful. Molded plastic, covered in aluminum wrap, with your name misspelled on it.
Excellent.
Great.
Look at this. A bunch of guys whose career aspirations are to work in stores.
Fabulous. I love it when people know their place in life.
Well, your place in life is in my toilet, you trust fund turd.
Do you even have flushing toilets in your trailer? I couldn't imagine it.
You guys are a bunch of scumbags, aren't you?
What you got? Bring it, come on.
Nice trophy. Here, let me see.
Come on, hey, give me that back!
Hey, Jimmy, you want some help handling those losers?
Give me a hand, chaps.
We pros take care of our own.
Sure we do.
Give up now. I certainly
Just back off.
For real, you are so dead. I know buttons. I'm gonna break your chain. I'm gonna rip your head clean off. You're going to play machine.
Jimmy comes through again.
Jimmy, I need you to do me a favor.
Listen, pal, how about poor different?
I'm going to hell no matter what happens.
Hello, can I help you find anything?
I hope he did not steal anything.
Enjoy your purchase.
Have you ever avoided...
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Think I'm dumb? Who's dumb now?
I'm dumb, real dumb. Hey, Egg Kid, help me out, please.
Easy, Russell. Calm down. Sit. Good boy.
Thank you. Jeez, that dumb kid's really strong.
Dumb?
Hey, be good.
No,
Be good.
Not you, Einstein, not you. So, how did everything work out with those eggs?
Not like I was hoping. Never trust a rich kid.
Too bad. Was it that jerk, Tad? You know, his parents are at a party at my boss's house right now. If you wanted a revenge thing, now would be a good time.
I guess I'll need some more eggs then.
Ah, yes, you got it.
Thanks. Come on, Russell. We've got a house call to make.
Dear God, it's all over the wall!
We'll find you yet!
I don't care, find him! Oh no! Mother's favorite Maplethorpe! I know you're out there! Who threw that egg? Russell Smash! You, get out there and find him! I see him! Oh, yuck! It's all over the couch! I know you're out there! You, get out there and find him! Step back! Slow down so Russell can smash you! Over here! Smash you! Dear God, it's all over the wall!
We'll find you yet!
Who threw that egg? Destroy! Go out there and find the miscreant! Where are you going, loser? Flatters me, Jimmy. Building training. Smash you! I don't know why they say kill! Russell, man! Keep running, it won't help! That's it?
Sir, please help!
So how do I do it, Pete?
Do what?
Beat those rich kids into submission.
Well, what have you tried so far?
Random violence, widespread destruction, gratuitous sadism.
No, that's not gonna work. They get all that kind of stuff at home. No, what you gotta do is you gotta beat one of them publicly. You gotta prove to them you're better than their best man. Why don't you box that dumb jerk Biff?
Not bad, Pete. Not bad at all. All right. See you around.
Wait, Jimmy, can I come too? You know what? Don't worry about it.
I dumped it in the river. No one knows.
You and me, Biff.
You and me what?
You and me, the noble art of boxing. May the best man win. And then you little trust fund fairies will know what life is all about.
Anytime, pauper.
Of course. The best man always wins. Me. Come on. Afterwards, you can clean my shoes.
That's the best you can do!
Hopkins is surprisingly tough. His left eye looks swollen.
Hopkins, you're pathetic!
I could do so much better, you know?
I love watching a good match.
Like my shoes? They're genuine puppy.
Oh, don't worry. Jimmy's tough.
Hopkins, you're pathetic!
I could do so much better, you know?
I love watching you get hurt.
Hopkins is surprisingly tough.
Hopkins, you're such a wimp! That's the best you can do!
His left eye looks swollen.
Oh, don't worry. Jimmy's tough.
Like my shoes? They're genuine puppy. Move like a bee, sting like a bee. Go, Biff! I'm counting on you! Hopkins, you're pathetic!
It's a wonder Hopkins is still standing.
Hopkins, you're such a wimp! That's the best you can do!
I could do so much better, you know?
Hopkins is surprisingly tough.
Oh, don't worry. Jimmy's tough.
That's the best you can do!
Who's the baddest? Me. Who's the toughest? Me. Who's the man? Me. Me, losers. Me. The champion #1. I killed the best. I will beat the rest. Yeah.
What have we got here?
That poor kid just beat up Biff. He's our new champion.
What? He is
That's
the
right.
new champion.
Yeah, come on. Come on, man. Woo!
You disgust me! It takes more than victory to become a champion. It takes breeding and nepotism and snobbery. You filthy Democrat! Gentlemen, are we going to let some gutter snipe come in and beat up our friend Biff?
No!
Then what are we going to do?
Beat him back to the ghetto!
Yeah!
Yeah!
You guys soften him up. I'll get a drink.
You pathetic wretch, hiding behind your friends.
I'm leveraging the assets I have, and you don't. Friends,
Just shut up, Darby.
here's some more tactics for you, poor boy.
So much stuff just lying around.
I'll put you in your... Get back here, you going nowhere.
Never fear!
Well, I suppose I just have to give you a
Who's the boss now? I can't hear you, rich kids. Who's the boss now, my waspy little friend? Answer the question.
You are...
Louder!
You are...
Good! That's right, me! Now you girls, learn to play nice, you understand?
Now, Darby is really stupid, malevolent, and rich. So it will surprise none of you to discover in a future life, he'll end up in Congress. But this is my story, not his. With the trust fund babies under control, it's time to turn my attention to their sworn enemies, those greaseball kids. So, you must be pretty proud of yourself. You taught those rich scum a lesson.
They're rich, weak bullies. It was easy. They picked a fight with me, and I showed them who was boss.
And Gary got them to pick that fight, so maybe you'll show him as well.
Gary's an even bigger problem. He'll have to wait.
Hey!
What's this throwback want?
A haircut? A nice strong man to cuddle up to? Who knows?
Jimmy Hopkins, right? My friend Johnny needs your help.
Then tell your friend Johnny to come and ask for it.
Nobody tells Johnny anything. Johnny Vincent does the telling.
Well, he doesn't tell me what to do. Now beat it, greaseball. You're causing an oil slick.
I said he needs your help, man.
Do I look like a charity service?
You're gonna pay for this.
What is wrong with this place? Everyone here either needs help, wants to beat you up, or both.
Well, you know who Johnny Vincent is, though, don't you?
No, and I don't care.
He's head of the Greaser Clique. Get friendly with him, and he can help you get to Gary.
Yeah, maybe. Tell you something, Pete. This place blows.
Tell me about it.
Look familiar?